Darlings, we're all experts at a few things in life. After all these years, I've become an expert at acting, producing, writing, and yes, great hair. But one thing I'm not an expert at, car repairs. That's why before your car breaks down, you need to call CarShield. When you call CarShield, their administrators can hook you up with plans that can cover the cost of major repairs on your car, including the transmission, engine, air conditioning, entertainment system, and up to 5,000 other parts. I don't need to be an expert to tell you that it never fails. When your car's out of warranty, it's gonna break down at some point. And if you call CarShield before it does, you don't have to worry about paying those expensive bills. How about that?
Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a mechanic near you.
That's a whole lot of expertise on your side, all for making one call to CarShield. But darlings, you gotta make that call before your car breaks down.
If our car breaks down, CarShield administrators have our back.
If you love your car, you protect it. That's why I call CarShield.
When you call CarShield, you get their price lock guarantee, which means that the price you pay today will never change for as long as you cover your vehicle. What you'll also love is that plans through CarShield give you 24/7 coast-to-coast roadside assistance. Because darlings, CarShield is an expert at customer care too.
In 1 year, I saved $2,500. That's amazing.
CarShield helped me save over $2,000.
My rates never went up and my coverage never went down.
CarShield has made me an expert at saving money on expensive car repairs. Trust me, you need to pick up that phone right now and call CarShield before your car breaks down.
It's not a matter of if your car will break down, but when. Call CarShield now before it's too late and save money with the CarShield guarantee. Call 800-579-6554.